Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative projects. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of woodworking with some fantastic mini projects that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking to pick up a new hobby, create something special for your home, or even make unique gifts for friends and family, I've got you covered. From charming birdhouses to stylish key holders, these projects are not just easy to follow but also incredibly fun to make. So grab your tools, and let's get started on turning those wood pieces into something amazing. Here are some creative mini woodworking project ideas perfect for beginners, along with brief tutorials for each. 1. Wooden coasters. Materials: wood slices or small square pieces, sandpaper, wood finish, optional. Cut wood slices, about 4 inches in diameter, or use pre-cut squares. Sand the edges and surfaces until smooth. Optionally, apply a wood finish or paint for added protection. 2. Simple birdhouse. Materials: small wooden boards, nails or screws, wood glue, paint, optional. Cut pieces for the base, walls, and roof. Assemble the walls to the base using nails or screws. Attach the roof pieces and secure them. Paint or decorate as desired. 3. Wooden key holder. Materials: a small wooden board, hooks, screws, sandpaper. Cut a wooden board to your desired size, e.g., 12 by 6 inches. Sand the edges and surface smooth. Attach hooks to the bottom of the board for keys. Optionally, paint or stain the board for a finished look. 4. Mini planter boxes. Materials: small wooden boards, nails or wood glue, sandpaper. Cut pieces for the bottom, sides, and corners. Assemble the sides to the bottom using nails or glue. Sand the edges and finish as desired. Fill with soil and small plants or succulents. 5. Wooden picture frame. Materials: thin wooden strips, wood glue, sandpaper, finish, optional. Cut strips to create a frame, 2 long and 2 short pieces. Assemble the frame by gluing the corners together. Sand the edges and paint or stain if desired. Add a backing and glass for the picture. 6. Simple wall shelf. Materials: wooden board, brackets, screws, sandpaper. Cut the board to your preferred shelf size. Sand the edges and surface. Attach brackets to the wall and then the shelf to the brackets. Optionally, paint or stain the shelf. 7. Wooden toy car. Materials: wooden blocks, wheels, store-bought or cut from wood, axles, sandpaper, paint. Cut a block for the car body and 2 smaller blocks for the front and back. Drill holes for the axles. Attach wheels to the axles and insert them into the body. Sand and paint as desired. 8. Miniature bookshelf. Materials: thin wooden boards, wood glue or nails, sandpaper. Cut pieces for the base, sides, and shelves. Assemble the sides to the base and attach shelves. Sand the edges and apply a finish if desired. 9. Wooden phone stand. Materials: a small wooden block, saw, sandpaper. Cut a block of wood and make a shallow groove on one side, to hold the phone. Sand all edges and surfaces smooth. Optionally, paint or stain as desired. 10. Wooden jewelry box. Materials: small wooden boards, hinges, sandpaper, finish. Cut pieces for the base, lid, and sides. Assemble the box using glue or nails. Attach hinges to the lid. Sand and decorate as desired. Tips for success. Start small, choose projects that match your skill level to build confidence. Use quality tools, invest in basic tools to help with precision and ease of use. Practice safety, always wear safety gear and follow safety guidelines when working with tools. These mini woodworking projects are not only fun but also great for building skills as you gain experience in woodworking. Could you elaborate on the best wood types for these projects? Choosing the right type of wood is crucial for successful woodworking projects, especially for beginners. Here's a breakdown of some of the best wood types for the mini woodworking projects mentioned earlier. 1. Pine. Characteristics: softwood, lightweight, easy to work with, and affordable. Best for birdhouses, key holders, picture frames, and simple shelves. Notes: takes paint and stain well, but may dent easily. 2. Cedar. Characteristics: naturally resistant to decay, fragrant, lightweight. Best for outdoor projects like birdhouses and planter boxes. Notes: beautiful natural color, does not require finishing for outdoor use. 3. Birch. Characteristics: hard, durable, has a fine grain. Best for picture frames, toy cars, and decorative items. Notes: sands well and finishes beautifully, but can be more expensive. 4. Poplar. Characteristics: medium density hardwood, easy to work with, and takes paint/stain well. Best for coasters, key holders, and simple furniture projects. Notes: inexpensive and commonly used for painted projects. 5. Oak. Characteristics: strong, durable hardwood with a prominent grain. Best for shelves, furniture, and jewelry boxes. Notes: can be more challenging to work with due to density but finishes beautifully. 6. Maple. Characteristics: hard and dense, with a fine and smooth texture. Best for picture frames, toy cars, and furniture. Notes: holds up well under wear and tear, may require sharper tools for cutting. 7. MDF, medium density fiberboard. Characteristics: engineered wood made from wood fibers, smooth surface. Best for indoor projects like shelves, picture frames, and decorative items. Notes: easy to paint and shape, but not suitable for outdoor use. 8. Basswood. Characteristics: softwood, lightweight, and easy to carve. Best for miniature models, toy cars, and detailed carvings. Notes: great for beginners due to its softness and workability. 9. Cherry. Characteristics: hard, smooth, and rich in color that darkens with age. Best for decorative items, jewelry boxes, and fine furniture. Notes: more expensive but offers a beautiful finish. 10. Plywood. Characteristics: made of layers of wood veneer glued together, strong and versatile. Best for shelves, boxes, and larger projects. Notes: available in various grades, higher grades have a smoother finish. General tips for choosing wood. Project purpose: consider where the project will be used, indoors versus outdoors. Skill level: softer woods are easier for beginners to work with. Finish: some woods take stain and paint better than others, influencing your choice based on your desired finish. Cost: balance your budget with the type of wood you want to use. Softwoods are generally more affordable. By selecting the appropriate wood type for your projects, you can ensure better results and a more enjoyable woodworking experience. What are some good woods for beginners to work with? Here are some of the best wood types for beginners to work with, along with their characteristics and advantages. 1. Pine. Characteristics: softwood, lightweight, and easy to cut and shape. Advantages: affordable and widely available, takes paint and stain well, ideal for various beginner projects. 2. Cedar. Characteristics: naturally resistant to decay, lightweight, and aromatic. Advantages: great for outdoor projects, easy to work with, has a beautiful natural look. 3. Poplar. Characteristics: medium density hardwood, relatively soft compared to other hardwoods. Advantages: inexpensive, easy to cut and shape, takes paint and stain well, making it ideal for painted projects. 4. Basswood. Characteristics: softwood, lightweight, and fine-grained. Advantages: excellent for carving and detail work, easy to work with for beginners, minimal splintering. 5. Birch. Characteristics: hard, durable, and has a fine grain. Advantages: sands well and finishes beautifully, versatile for many projects, although it can be a bit harder to work with than softer woods. 6. MDF, medium density fiberboard. Characteristics: engineered wood made from wood fibers, smooth surface. Advantages: easy to cut and shape, great for indoor projects, ideal for painted finishes, inexpensive. 7. Walland, Philippine mahogany. Characteristics: lightweight and relatively soft. Advantages: economical option for projects like cabinets and furniture, easy to work with. 8. Maple. Characteristics: hard and dense, with a fine, smooth texture. Advantages: durable and holds up well, good for various projects, although it may require sharper tools. 9. Oak, red oak. Characteristics: strong and durable hardwood with a prominent grain. Advantages: good for furniture and larger projects, while a bit harder to work with, it's very rewarding when finished. 10. Cherry. Characteristics: hard, smooth, and rich in color. Advantages: beautiful finish that darkens with age, good for fine woodworking projects. Tips for beginners. Start with softwoods, begin with softer woods like pine or cedar to gain confidence and skill. Practice cutting and sanding, get comfortable with your tools by practicing on various wood types. Use quality tools, invest in good basic tools to make working with wood easier and safer. Safety first, always wear safety gear and follow safety guidelines when working with wood and tools. By starting with these beginner-friendly wood types, you can build your skills and confidence in woodworking while enjoying the process. So keep practicing and experimenting. If you have any questions or need tips, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and creative projects. Until next time, happy woodworking. So keep practicing and experimenting. If you have any questions or need tips, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and creative projects. Until next time, happy woodworking.